Techno Industrial Products offers YSR series shock absorbers, which are designed to absorb shock generated by any moving object. These shock absorbers are vastly used in automation industry, medical industry, food industry, and many other DIY projects. Universal, self-adjusting screw-in hydraulic shock absorber with path-controlled flow control function on a short stroke. Hydraulic shock absorber with path-controlled flow control function. Rapidly increasing cushioning force curve. Short cushioning stroke, suitable for rotary drives. Now we are seeing working of these shock absorbers, available in various sizes to support your working. Thanks for watching.